Namaste Gurukulians. I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, in the previous video we have learnt about the dimensions. Clear? After that we will do the concept of significant figures and rounding of the digits. Whenever we measure any quantity in the physics, then we take care of the accuracy of that reading, means how much close we are to the true value. Clear? So about this, significant figure has the important role. Okay students, what is the meaning of significant figure? Significant figure means कि how many digits are there about which you are confident. For example, with the help of scale, if you measuring any length, suppose it is 1.5 centimeter. Clear? Okay, you are very sure that the length of that object is more than 1 centimeter. It means about 1 you are confident. Clear? But about 0.5 we are not. It can be 1.4, it can be 1.6, it can be 1.5. तो श्योरिटी जो आपकी है वो अबाउट 1 पर है, 0.5 पर आपकी इतनी श्योरिटी नहीं है. क्लियर? तो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स इंक्लूड कॉन्फिडेंट फिगर्स प्लस 1 अनसर्टेन डिजिट. क्लियर? ये हमारे पास कॉन्फिडेंट डिजिट है और ये अनसर्टेन डिजिट है. तो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स होता है डिजिट्स विच आर रिलायबली नोन टू अस. रिलायबली का मीनिंग होता है कॉन्फिडेंटली. क्लियर? प्लस 1 अनसर्टेन डिजिट. क्लियर? सो इन दिस measurement we have two significant figures, 1.5, 1 and 5. Clear? Now students, we have some rules about the significant figures, how to calculate the significant figures in the given measurements. Okay, rule number first, all non-zeros digit are significant. For example, you have measured any quantity. Suppose the value comes 5 to 4 centimeter. Clear? 5, 2 and 4, these are non-zero digits. So all 3 digits are significant digits. So significant figures in this measurement is 3. Clear? Second rule, all zeros between non-zero digits are significant. For example, measurement is suppose 5003 meter. Clear? 5 and 3, these are the non-zero digits. In between them there are the zeros. Then we have to count these zeros in significant figures. So total significant figures are 4. Clear? Okay, third, if a number is not having decimal point, then zeros right to the non-zero digits are non-significant. For example, if you write 54600 gram. Clear है? तो 546, these are the non-zero digits, and in this measurement there is no decimal point. Clear? So if a number does not have decimal point, then zeros right to the non-zero digits will not treat as significant figures. So in this measurement only we have 3 significant figures. Clear? So fourth, zeros left to decimal point but right to non-zero digits are significant. Clear? For example, if I take a measurement like this, 54600 point, look at carefully, 54600 point. In the above example it is 54600, there is no decimal point, but here I have connected a decimal point with the measurement. So zeros left to decimal point, zeros left to decimal point, but right to non-zero digits, will be treated as significant. Clear? So in this measurement we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो 5 significant figures we have. Okay students, now rule number 5th, zeros right to decimal point are significant. For example, if you write 546.00 centimeter, so these zeros are present on the right side to the decimal point, so you will treat these zeros as significant. So 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 significant figures in this measurement. Clear? Okay students, rule number 6, zeros right to decimal point, clear, and left to non-zero digits आर नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? जीरोज डेसिमल पॉइंट के तो राइट में होनी चाहिए, क्लियर, बट नॉन जीरो डिजिट के लेफ्ट में होनी चाहिए, तो दे विल बी ट्रीटेड एज नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू टेक एग्जाम्पल लाइक 0.00546 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, 0.00546, these zeros are present on the right side to the decimal point but left to the non-zero digits, so there will be no significance of these zeros. So in this example we have only 1 2 3 significant figures. Clear? Okay, last, number of significant figures does not change with system of unit. For example, if you change the system of unit from MKS to CGS, then number of significant figures will remain same. If I write 32 kilometers, suppose in SI or in MKS, we can write it as, in CGS we can write it as 32,000 meter. Clear? So students, in this case only we have 2 significant figures. If we change the system, significant figures will remain same. So in this case also we have 2 significant figures. Rule number 3rd, इस मेजरमेंट में कोई भी डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं है. इफ अ नंबर डज नॉट हैव डेसिमल पॉइंट, देन zeros right to the non-zero digits will be non-significant. Clear? So this is all about meaning of significant figures and the rules of significant figures. Okay students, now I will do some numerical based on these significant figures. Okay students, now first, state significant figures in following. Clear? First, 2.000 meter. Second, 0.050 centimeter. Clear? Third, $51,000 gram. Clear? Okay students, in all cases we have to calculate the total number of significant figures. In first, 2.000, आपको रूल पता है कि डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद जितनी भी जीरोज होती है वी हैव टू काउंट एज सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. तो 1 2 3 4, तो देर आर 4 significant figures in this case. Okay, second, 0.050 centimeter. Okay, 5 is a significant figure what about this 0, this and this 0? Look, this 0 is present to the left of the decimal point. Clear? So this will be not treated as significant. What about this 0? यदि आप रूल को देखो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर की, एक रूल ऐसा है जिसमें हम कहते हैं इफ द जीरोज आर प्रेजेंट टू द राइट ऑफ द डेसिमल बट लेफ्ट ऑफ द नॉन जीरो डिजिट, ये जीरो डेसिमल के तो राइट में है बट ये जीरो नॉन जीरो डिजिट के लेफ्ट में है, तो दिस जीरो विल नॉट बी ट्रीटेड एज सिग्निफिकेंट. व्हाट अबाउट 5? इट इज सिग्निफिकेंट. व्हाट अबाउट दिस जीरो? दिस जीरो इज प्रेजेंट to the right of the decimal point and also to the non-zero digit, so it will be treated as significant. So there are two significant figures. Okay students, third, there is no decimal point. If there is no decimal point, then the zeros right to non-zero digits will not be treated as significant. So in this only we have two significant figures. Clear? Okay students, some example. For example, if I write in this only 2. Clear? If I write in this 1 2 डेसिमल है तो डेसिमल के बाद जितनी भी जीरोज होती है वे हम में काउंट करते हैं. इट इज 1 2 3 4 5. क्लियर? इफ आई राइट सपोज दिस वन, तो इसमें डेसिमल नहीं है, तो ये जो जीरोज है प्रेजेंट है टू द राइट ऑफ द नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स, और जो जीरो प्रेजेंट होती है इन बिटवीन द नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स वी हैव टू काउंट इट इज सिग्निफिकेंट. So these zeros not significant, only these 3 are significant. Clear? If I write 0 point this one, clear? ये दो जीरो नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट है क्योंकि ये दोनों के दोनों जीरो नॉन जीरो डिजिट के लेफ्ट में है. आपको एक मैं सिंपल रूल बताता हूँ, जब भी आपके पास नंबर आ जाए 1 से कम, तो ये 1 से कम है, तो जीरोज लेफ्ट टू द नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स, ये जीरो इसके लेफ्ट में है. क्लियर? तो दिस विल बी ट्रीटेड नॉट ट्रीटेड एज सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. ओनली वी हैव 1 2 3. क्लियर? ओके, इफ आई राइट लाइक एज ये दो जीरो नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट 1 2 3 लाइक एज. Clear? So students, now we will do the concept of round off the digits. Okay students, now rounding off the number. In this rounding off, what we will do, we will decrease the number of digits in the measurement. For example, if I write 5.345, I can reduce it as 5.3. ये किया कैसे ये हम आगे देखेंगे एक बार. तो राउंडिंग ऑफ का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है? वी कैन डिक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स फ्रॉम द मेजरमेंट. क्लियर? देन सम रूल्स आर देयर इन द राउंडिंग ऑफ द फिगर्स. लुक, रूल नंबर फर्स्ट, if number to be dropped is greater than 5, then preceding digit increased by 1. Look, for example 5.246 क्लियर है। तो डेसिमल के बाद कितने पॉइंट है? 3, ये 3 डिजिट है। हमें क्या करना है? अप टू 2 डिजिट्स वी हैव टू राउंड ऑफ इट। ओके, मुझे ये जो नंबर है, डिजिट है, आई हैव टू ड्रॉप इट। इट इज ग्रेटर देन 5। यदि जिस नंबर को हमें ड्रॉप करना है, इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन 5 देन द प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट will get increased by 1. We can write it as 5.25. Second, if number to be dropped is less than 5, then there is no change in preceding digit। इसका मीनिंग क्या है? जिस नंबर को आपको ड्रॉप करना है, यदि वो नंबर 5 से लेस है तो प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट में कोई भी चेंज नहीं आएगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू राइट 5.244, देर आर 3 डेसिमल पॉइंट्स। या डेसिमल के बाद कितने प्लेसेस है? 3। आई हैव टू राउंड ऑफ इट अप टू 2 प्लेसेस आफ्टर डेसिमल, सो आई हैव टू ड्रॉप दिस डिजिट। क्लियर? ओके, दिस इज लेस देन 5। इफ द नंबर ड्रॉप इज लेस देन 5 देन there is no change in preceding digit, so there is no change in this 4. I can write it as 5.24. Clear? Okay, third, if number to be dropped is equal to 5, then preceding digit gets increased by 1 if it is odd. Very important rule regarding the round of the digits. देखिए, after decimal there are 3 places. What is the meaning of this rule? If number to be dropped is equal to 5, this is 5, then there is a increment in 1 in the preceding digit, that is 3 में 1 increment होगा if preceding digit is odd. 3 is the odd. Clear है? तो नंबर 5 के इक्वल है। if I want to drop it then there will be increment in 1 in 3, so the resultant will be 5.44. Clear है? Okay students, fourth, last, if number to be dropped is equal to 5, then preceding digit remains unchanged if it is even. For example, 5.445. After decimal, there are 3 places. Up to 2 places, we have to round off it. Clear? So, rule is that if the number is dropped is equal to 5, we have to drop this number. If the preceding digit is even, then there will be no change in preceding digit. So, answer will be 5.44. Clear? Okay, students, again look at all 4 rules. If I write 5.246, 5.244, 5.245, 5.235, up to 2 decimal places we have to round off it. इस नंबर को हमें ड्रॉप करना है. इट इज ग्रेटर देन 5, देन प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट विल गेट इंक्रीज बाय 1. सो आंसर विल बी दिस वन. हियर दिस इज लेस देन 5, देन प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट विल रिमेन सेम. सो देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन दिस 4. दिस वन. इट इज इक्वल टू 5, it is even, then there is no change in this 4. If you look at this question 5.235, before 5 it is odd. If I want to drop it, then we have to increase 1 in this 3, then it will become 5.24. Clear, students? So it is all about the rules regarding the rounding of the figures. Clear? Okay. After it, we have some rules in the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, if you are doing a measurement, if you are, for example, if you want to calculate force, it is equal to mass into acceleration. So you have to multiply mass into acceleration. So whenever we multiply two quantities, then how to round off it? Clear? When we divide two quantities, how to round the final result? Clear? So we have two rules regarding addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Clear? So students, now if you have two quantities in addition, clear, then how to find the significant figures in addition and subtraction? Clear? In this case, we will take the help of rounding of the digit. If you want to multiply two things or divide two things, then how to calculate total number of significant figures? We will do it with the help of rounding of the digits. So rounding of the digits will help us to calculate the number of significant figures in arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Clear? So first, significant figures in addition or subtraction. क्लियर है? रूल क्या है? द फाइनल रिजल्ट should have reported the same number of decimal places as that of original number having minimum number of decimal places. मीनिंग क्या है? इफ यू वांट टू ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट टू क्वांटिटीज देन यू हैव टू कीप द फाइनल रिजल्ट क्लियर है, एंड दिस फाइनल रिजल्ट शुड हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल प्लेसेस as that of original number having minimum number of decimal places. देखेंगे for example 5.44 I have written it, and second 5.3 and you want to add it. क्लियर है? तो सबसे पहले देखो कि कौन से नंबर में सबसे कम डेसिमल पॉइंट है. इसमें डेसिमल के बाद एक है, इसमें डेसिमल के बाद दो है, तो ये हमारा बन जाएगा the number having minimum number of decimal places. Then final result should have the same number of places, decimal places. तो डेसिमल के बाद एक ही होना चाहिए, तो फाइनल में भी डेसिमल के बाद एक ही प्लेस होना चाहिए. इफ आई एड इट 4 7 10 क्लियर, बट देर आर 2 डेसिमल पॉइंट्स आफ्टर 2 decimal places. क्लियर है, but we have to keep only 1 decimal place, so we have to round off it. I have to drop these 4, this is less than 5, so there will be no change in preceding digit, so it is equal to 10.7. clear है? In the case of subtraction we will do the same concept. For example 5.44 minus 5.3, if we subtract it then we will get 410. After decimal there are 2 places, so we have to keep 1 place, so we have to drop this 4. This is less than 5, the answer will be 0.1. clear? Okay students, second in multiplication and division. clear है? Students, note it down, because in the same rule I will do some change for multiplication and division. Okay students, look, significant figures in multiplication or divisions, the final result should have, or B you can write, should be reported the same number of significant figures as that of original number having minimum number of significant figures. देखेंगे in addition or multiplication we will talk about the number of decimal places. तो जिस नंबर का सबसे कम डेसिमल प्लेस है तो फाइनल रिजल्ट में उतना ही डेसिमल प्लेस आना चाहिए. बट इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन वी विल टॉक अबाउट नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. तो फाइनल रिजल्ट में उतने ही सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर आने चाहिए जितने ओरिजिनल नंबर में सबसे कम सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर हो. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 2.5 into 2.56. clear है? So out of these numbers, this number have less significant figures, only 2 are there. clear? In this only 3 are there, so in the final result we should have 2 significant figures in the result. clear? Okay, one question is there. 5.74 gram of substance occupies 1.2 centimeter cube. Express its density. Density equal to mass upon volume. Clear? So density equal to mass upon volume. Clear hai? Okay students, out of these two, this number has two significant figures, this has three significant figures. So number having minimum number of significant figures क्या बन गया 1.2. तो फाइनल रिजल्ट में भी दो ही सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स आने चाहिए. क्लियर? द रिजल्ट इज 4.783 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. बट in this result we have 1 2 3 4 significant figures and we want only two significant figures, so we have to round off it. Clear? So first of all we will round 3. 3 is less than 5, so there will be no change in this 8. Clear? After that we have to drop it. It is greater than 5, so preceding digit will increase by 1 and this is the final result. So students, this is all about your concept of errors. In the significant figures and that is the rounding of digits, you have learnt about meaning of significant figures. After that rules, the rules related to rounding of the digits. After that rules regarding the significant. Okay students, this is all about your chapter unit and dimensions. Clear? I hope this is sufficient for the today's lecture. In next video you will learn the concept of errors. Okay students, have a nice day and thank you.